Ever feel like you're working hard, but somehow you keep getting in your own way? Let's fix that. Hey friend, it's really good to have you here. I'm Norman, the blind guy with a vision. If you're someone who refuses to quit on yourself and wants to grow a little more every day, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the wisdom we share here. Self-sabotage isn't failure, it's a habit. And like all habits, we can replace it with something better. Here's the thing. When I first began losing my vision, I kept telling myself I wasn't capable anymore. I didn't need anyone else to doubt me. I was doing a great job all on my own. But here's what changed everything. I started questioning the stories I was telling myself. Here are 3 powerful steps to break the cycle. 1. Catch the thought. Don't fight it. When you hear that voice saying, "You can't," pause. Name it. That tiny moment puts you back in control. 2. Replace the script. Instead of, "I always mess this up," try, "I'm learning how to do this better." You're not lying, you're shifting your direction. 3. Stack small wins. Every time you follow through, even on something tiny, you train your brain to trust you again. Your mindset is a garden. Stop watering the weeds and start planting what you actually want to grow. If this helped you today, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future lessons that can help you grow every day. What's one story you've been telling yourself that you're ready to rewrite starting today? You're stronger than you think, and I'm right here walking this journey with you.